Hi everyone, Zach Weaver with Stryker Toy Haulers. Today we're standing in front of a Stryker 2816. Stryker's the ultimate toy hauler.
It's really the Swiss Army knife of travel trailers.
We've got 9 floor plans. Garage sizes ranging from 12 feet 6 inches to 16 feet 4 inches, so we can accommodate the largest of today's side-by-sides. Any other toy you want to take, kayaks, motorcycles, four-wheelers, they're all going to fit in your Stryker.
If you're a climber, a hiker, a kayaker, a biker, Stryker's perfect for you.
We have just loaded it with a ton of great features.
Longer cargo door at 8 foot long versus a 7 foot long is going to make loading and unloading your gear a lot easier.
All Strykers are going to come with a power tongue jack, power stabilizer jacks, and power awning, so your setup is super easy when you get to the campground.
Every one of our floor plans comes with a king bed, and we even have our new patent pending king bed slide feature on most of our floor plans.
We've also upgraded all your appliances, so we've got larger refrigerators, larger water heaters than industry standard, approximately 100-gallon fresh water tanks on all floor plans. All floor plans solar prepped and generator prepped, so wherever you want to go with your Stryker, you're going to be able to do that and enjoy your trip.
I love what Stryker offers the customer, and really it's the ultimate adventure.